In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Brevo. Whether you're new to email marketing or just want to double-check your messages before sending them out to a broader audience, testing your emails is a fantastic way to ensure everything is just right. Let's begin by logging into your Brevo account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard, which acts as your main hub for all activities. From here, navigate to the Campaigns section, which you can find on the left-hand menu. This is where you'll be able to create, manage, and review all your email campaigns. After you've clicked on Campaigns, you'll see an option to create campaign. This is your starting point. Click on that button, and you'll be prompted to enter some essential information for your campaign. This includes a catchy campaign name that will help you remember it later, a subject line that stands out, and details like who the email is coming from. Make sure the sender's name and email address are exactly how you want them to appear to your recipients. This helps in building trust and recognition. Once you have entered these details, the next step is crafting your email. Brevo offers a versatile and user-friendly email editor. Depending on your preference, you can use the drag-and-drop editor, which is very intuitive, or, if you're comfortable with coding, you can switch to the HTML editor. Construct your email by adding the necessary text, images, and even buttons or links that you wish to include. It's important to ensure that your email is not only visually appealing but also functional, with all links leading to the correct destinations. After the design and content of your email are completed, it's time to see how it looks in real life, which means it's test email time. Look for the test email feature within the editor. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will prompt you to input an email address. This should be an address you have access to, as you'll want to check how the email displays in the inbox and ensure it avoids spam filters. Once you've sent a test email, take the time to review it thoroughly. Check everything from how the subject line and pre-header text appear, to ensuring images load correctly and links work as intended. This is an essential step because it allows you to catch anything that's not quite right before the campaign goes live. Finally, after you're satisfied with your test email, you can proceed to finalize any last adjustments in Brevo. When you're ready, you can schedule your email to send at a specific time, or, if you're eager to get your message out, you can hit send immediately to your complete recipient list. And that's it! You've just learned how to send a test email in Brevo. This simple yet essential step ensures that every message you send out is polished and perfect, making your email marketing endeavors as effective as possible.